So, after doing some research, I have discovered a combination of two techniques to help cause yourself to sneeze. That using both of them together, I've been able to get some sneezes. Roll the corner of a tissue paper, into a fine point so you can put it up here so it'll tickle your nasal cavity. And when you start to feel a sneeze coming on, tilt your head back until you're ready to let it out. Like this. Let's see if I can get it here. Maybe not that side. I've been having better luck with this nostril. Come on. I almost had it. Oh. See? Also, while you're tickling, humming is yet a third technique that helps cause extra vibrations to get the sinuses activated. Here's the half of the tissue paper I rolled up to help induce the sneezes for this video.